Hello my dear students, welcome to English video class. I hope you all are enjoying with a good health. Take care of your health. And as you know, we started our term 1 syllabus and we already sent you a PA1 question paper. I hope you all are doing it with a at your home. Do it with a good handwriting. And from term 1 syllabus we completed chapter 4 and now I am going to start term 1 poem Someone. Someone poem. This poem is written by Walter de la Mare. He is a poet of this poem, and this poem already I sent you one video for your extra knowledge. I hope you all listened that video and enjoyed. And today first I am going to read this poem and then I will explain you. And I will give you a hard words and rhyming words in PDF, and no need to mark here, just listen carefully and read the poem. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. Someone came knocking. I am sure. I listened, I opened. I looked to left and right, but not there was a string. In the still dark night, only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owl call, only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. This is very simple poem. Poet is in mysterious mood and he want to know who is knocking on his door. As you know, we imagine this his home is at in between forest and there is dark night and busy beetles, insect sounds are there, owl creatures and cricket whistling and dewdrops. Everything is explained about forest only. This all happen in forest area in between dark night. So someone came knocking at my wee small door means someone came to the poet's door. Which door? How is explained door? V means tiny door, small door, tiny, small door at his poet's small door. Someone came knocking. I am sure. He knows, poet knows that someone is knocking. So what he did? I listened, I opened. After hearing that knocking sound, what he did? I opened. I looked to left and right. After opening his tiny door, what he did? He looked left and right, but not there was a string in the still dark night. When he was looking left and right, but no one is there, string means moving. Nothing is moving there. Not means nothing. Moving means no one is moving there, nothing is moving there in the still dark night. What is describes here? Dark night. Still it is means in between night. Still it is a night. How it is night? Dark night. After opening the door in third stanza, what he is explaining you? Only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owl's call. Okay. In the dark night, only the busy beetle, insect, as you know, na, in forest, insect sounds are there. Poet describes here, beetles are busy in what? Tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owl's call. That beetle is tapping on the wall and screech owl's call from the forest. Okay, he hears sound of beetle and owl's call. And next stanza, only the cricket whistle. Screech means hash sound. Only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. See here. In the dark night, he hear busy beetle sound, owl screech, cricket whistling, and he saw also dewdrops, water vapors from the leaves, that is dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. When he opened the door, that time he saw nothing is there, just he heard beetles tapping, owl screeching, cricket whistling and falling of dewdrops. So finally poet knows that, so I know not who came knocking at all. Not who came knocking. No one is came to knock. What is there? This all is there, at all. So mystery remains here. Poet is in mysterious mood, so he is describing dark night in the forest as his experience with you. And now I am giving you hard words from this poem and rhyming words from this poem. You have to write that hard words, rhyming words, and here 3 word meanings are there. Small word meanings are there. V means tiny, not means nothing, a string means moving. Hard words, rhyming words and word meanings you have to write in your fair notebook. I hope you all enjoyed this poem and complete your given homework. Thank you. Stay safe.